In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix mic static on Streamlabs OBS. First things first, you want to head over to your Streamlabs, navigate through the mic-aux, click on the gear icon, and then you want to look for the filters option. You want to click on it, click on edit filters, and basically this is where we can modify our microphone the way we want to. The first thing that you want to do is to click on noise gate. This will cancel out a specific type of decibel that you don't want included into your microphone right here. So for example, if we found out that the static occurs somewhere between -32 or somewhere between -20, we can just set it up this way, and then you can just make sure to advance the open threshold around 5 and more value to the close threshold. So in my case, I'll set it at -12. From there, we then want to add another filter, which is going to be the noise suppression. Click on add, and then you have two options, which is the first one, low CPU usage with low quality, or the second one, good quality but with more CPU usage, meaning it will eat up more resources from your computer. Now that we have two of the filters to our microphone, we have successfully got rid of the static on Streamlabs OBS. If not, the problem might be on your hardware itself. It could be on the wire or on the microphone. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.